Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to change a round neck to a v-neck. And since me talking all over the video hasn't been so effective, I'm gonna try to talk less and just point out the ones that it needs to be pointed out. I'm going by eyes here just because I know how I've done this so many times, but make sure that you get the right measurement on where you want your neck to be and all of that. After that, I just open the collar and mark them again to make sure we are cutting the right amount of fabric off the neck. When you're done with cutting, I want you to make sure that you're gonna mark the back of the neck of the t-shirt and the center of the collar, so you would know where to put them exactly. For that, I'm folding it from the back of the collar and then marking it in the middle. So that's where the V is gonna be. Okay, that's the bottom of the V. And to give it that V shape, we have to sew that a little bit from the top. And I think the rest of it is just so obvious and I don't want to tell you anything about it. But since I've done this 6 a.m. in the morning, I saw this beautiful sunrise and I couldn't not share it with you. So okay, if you got that feeling that I got from the sunrise and the birds singing, please go right ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment below if you have any questions. After serging, you have to make sure that you're gonna top stitch it so you get the best result possible out of this work that you've done. After that, just do a little bit of a steaming and then you are good to go. And here's the end result.